Staying organized and finding room for all of your stuff in a small home can seem almost impossible. But if you get creative with how you configure your furniture, utilize all of the empty vertical space, and invest in a few helpful products, you might just discover that you need less space than you think with these clever small space hacks. See all the budget-friendly DIY storage ideas for small apartments below. 1. Small space divider shelves. Perhaps you live in a bachelor or studio-style apartment, and you're not actually too strapped for space per se, but it's mostly just wide-open empty space with no division or extra shelving. Then we'd suggest considering a layout just like this one. You can not only give yourself more room to put things in, but you can also piece the space up a little so that it feels less like you're living in one big half-empty room. 2. Hanging hair appliance baskets. We'll be the first to admit that we're kind of guilty of throwing our hair tools underneath the kitchen sink and either wasting all the space that's under there or knocking out whatever we have been using the cupboard space for. Just hanging a wire filing basket on the bathroom so the hair appliances have a new permanent home. 3. Behind the door towel rods. Don't forget about the tiny space behind your doors. It's a perfect small space hack for hanging towels without taking up any of the space on your walls. How's that for a tiny bathroom hack? I do feel that you would need a door catcher though, to prevent the rods from banging up against the wall. 4. Ottoman bed. This is one of the most creative small space hacks I think I've ever seen. When it comes to small bedroom storage ideas, you can't forget the bed. Even if you're not hurting for space, this would come in so handy when you have more guests than you could otherwise sleep. 5. Sliding walls. Too many walls in a small house can make it seem even smaller, but what if you had the versatility of a wall that you could slide open or closed based on your needs? Keep it shut when you need the privacy or quiet time, but then simply slide it open to create a larger, more open space for entertaining. 6. Closet space for furniture. If you have a room that isn't big enough for your furniture, consider using the closet space for the extra square footage needed. This is just one of the small bedroom ideas I think would work great for a small nursery room, perhaps a changing table, desk or dresser. Just remove the doors and use the top half for storage. 7. Pull-down desk. Most people need a desk or craft table of some sort in their home, but don't necessarily have the room for something that is only used a couple of times a week. I'm not sure that I'm digging this idea for a desk, but it would be perfect as an extra craft table, especially for the kids' school or Lego projects. 8. Over-the-cabinet basket. No hardware needed. Just place this basket over a cabinet door and use it as a garbage bin in the bathroom or for extra storage in the kitchen or any room. Now, this is my kind of DIY storage idea for small spaces. This might also be the perfect solution for a travel trailer or boat where space is really limited. 9. Over the faucet shelf. I'm starting to think that there is a shelf made for everything. Even something as simple as using the airspace over your faucet might just provide the extra counter space you need. 10. Drawers in the stairs. Have you actually already taken steps to design a raised bed setup so you can put cupboards underneath a mattress and increase clothes space? Life Edited built their closet bed just high enough to warrant a very small staircase to get up to the mattress and then to give themselves even more space to put things.